Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a coffee shop sales analysis dashboard built in Power BI. This dashboard gives a complete picture of sales performance, customer buying patterns, and product demand across different store locations. Let's explore how each section tells a story about our coffee shop's business. Intro to dashboard. At the top, we have the key KPIs, 214K total transactions, showing the total quantity sold. $698,496,000 total revenue, the sum of all bills generated. These numbers set the tone for understanding the overall scale of the business. Sales by hour. On the left, the Sales by Hour chart reveals our peak business hours. We can see that the morning hours, especially around 9 to 11 a.m., have the highest sales volume. This aligns with the typical coffee rush when customers grab their morning drinks. Sales gradually decline in the afternoon and are almost negligible by late evening. This insight can guide staffing schedules and promotional timing. Sales by product type and size. Moving to the center, we have sales by product type and size. Here, each bar represents a drink type, and the colors show the size breakdown: large, regular, small, or undefined. Barista espresso and brewed chai tea are top sellers. Hot chocolate and gourmet brewed coffee also perform strongly. The size data tells us which products customers prefer in larger sizes, which can be used to upsell and increase average order value. Sales by store location. On the right, the pie chart shows revenue distribution across 3 store locations: Hell's Kitchen, Astoria, and Lower Manhattan. Interestingly, sales are almost evenly split across all locations, with each contributing about a third of the total revenue. This indicates consistent performance across branches, which is a positive sign for brand stability. Quantity by product type. Down below, quantity by product type highlights which products sell in the highest volumes. Brewed chai tea and gourmet brewed coffee lead the pack, followed closely by barista espresso. This suggests high demand for these items, which could be prioritized in marketing campaigns or bundle offers. Monthly revenue trend. On the bottom right, the line chart, sum of total bills by month, shows a clear upward trend. Revenue starts modestly in January and February, then steadily increases, peaking in May and June. This could be due to seasonal factors, marketing campaigns, or menu changes that resonated with customers. Filters and interactivity. On the left, we have slicers for size, product category, and date. These make the dashboard interactive, allowing managers to drill down into specific product lines, time periods, or serving sizes to get deeper insights. Conclusion. In summary, this coffee shop sales analysis dashboard helps decision-makers understand customer habits, top-performing products, store performance, and seasonal trends. It's a powerful tool for guiding staffing, marketing, inventory planning, and growth strategies. With insights like these, a coffee shop can make data-driven decisions to keep customers happy and revenue growing.